Okay, hello grade 2. Welcome back. Now let's have our Filipino. And for our Filipino, we'll just review the panahunan ng pandiwa. Okay, this one. Panahunan ng pandiwa. We'll continue the panahunan ng pandiwa. Okay, so before we answer some bookworks, let's review first and then we're gonna answer the bookworks. Okay? So yung panahuna ng pandiwa ay nagsasabi kung kailan nagaganap, or magaganap ang isang kilos. Okay? So the first one is naganap or past tense. It's already finished. The second one, remember, nagaganap. It is the present. Okay? It's happening right now. And the three, magaganap is future tense. You're gonna do it tomorrow, later, or next month, next year. So yan yung tatlong panahunan. Naganap, nagaganap, and magaganap. Okay. So ngayon, let's go to our bookworks. So dito sa page 100, open your book on page 160, letter B. So dito, you're gonna think what are the activities that you did last week. Okay, it's supposed to be last week because it says here panahunang naganap. It's already finished. Okay? So last Monday, Lunes is Monday. These are the things that you did or activities that you did at home. Okay? Not at school, not in your, but at home. Okay? So last Monday, what are the activities that you did last Monday? So isusulat dito yung past tense. Dapat ay tapos na yung inyong verb or pandiwa. Katulad ni Teacher Bell, naglaba ako kanina. Kanina kasi naglaba ako kahapon nung Monday or nung Lunes. Okay? Ayan po, Lunes. Yung naglaba is natapos na. Okay? So magsusulat kayo dyan ng sentence na natapos, sentence na natapos na, okay? Gawain na nagtapos na, gamitin ito sa pangungusap. And then last Tuesday, Martes, maglagay din dyan. Wednesday, Miyerkules. Thursday, Webes. Viernes, Friday. Sabado, Saturday. And the last 7 is Linggo or Sunday. Okay? Yung mga tapos na. You're finished doing it. Okay po? So, isulat dito yung sentence. Okay? So, next, if you are not yet done writing, pause this video. Okay po? And then continue your work. And then, when you're finished, then play the video for the next bookwork. Okay, for our next bookwork, you're gonna please tell us what are the things that you want to do, okay, in the future to help your community. Okay? What are the things that you want to do to help in the future when you're big already, or to next month, next week, to help your community. Okay? Yung pamayanan nyo or yung komunidad nyo. Isusulat nyo yung 5 things. Okay? 5 things na gagawin nyo para ma-help ang inyong community. So, dito yan. 5 things. Okay po? Pwedeng paglaki nyo, anong gusto nyong gawin. Okay? So, anong gusto nyong gawin para makatulong sa ating komunidad. So, isusulat yan dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, pagtapos na, kayong magsulat, magsa-study para sa ating quiz bukas and take a picture of page 160 to 161 at isi-send sa ating class dojo. Okay po? So, see you, thank you, and see you tomorrow. Bye!